In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a knowledge base in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clear, organized hub where anyone can find answers fast and keep information up to date. Open your Notion workspace and we'll build this together, step by step, keeping everything simple and consistent so it grows cleanly over time. Start by creating a main page that will act as the home of your knowledge base. Give it a clear, searchable title like Knowledge Base. Add an icon or cover if you like, and write a short description explaining what lives here and how to use it. Think of this page as your front door and map. The description should guide people, where to begin, how content is structured, and who to contact if something seems missing or outdated. Next, add high-level categories to this page, such as tutorials, FAQs, policies, and resources. These categories are your signposts. Use clear headings and a one-line explanation under each, so anyone can pick the right path at a glance. Keep category names consistent and intuitive. If you already use certain terms across your company or project, mirror that language here to reduce confusion. For each category, create either subpages or databases. Subpages are perfect for small, static collections. Databases work best when you'll have many items to sort and view in different ways. For example, tutorials could be a database, so you can organize by topic or difficulty, while a policies category might be a set of subpages, one per policy. Whichever you choose, keep the layout uniform across items, so readers always know where to look for key details. Now, make your content easy to find with tags, filters, and search-friendly titles. Add a tags property to databases, and use a small, well-defined set of labels. Save filtered views like By Team or Getting Started, so people can jump straight to what they need. Write titles with common keywords and plain language. Lead with the most important terms, and avoid internal shorthand that won't make sense to newcomers. Connect related knowledge so readers don't hit dead ends. When a page references another, type the @ symbol and the page name to create a mention. Notion automatically adds a backlink on the referenced page, building a helpful trail. Add a short, related section at the end of articles to surface key links a reader might need next. Finally, keep your knowledge base alive. Update pages as processes change. Add new entries when questions repeat, and note what changed and why. Set a simple review cadence so nothing goes stale. A trustworthy knowledge base is maintained, not just published. Keep it clean, keep it consistent, and it will keep saving you time.